City bafowethu yenziswa kwabantu ngempela abafuna ukukhompyutha this year bafowethu. Yazi ukuthi into eyenziwe eDurban City ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bawine iNedbank phela ibaqualifyisile laphana ukuthi bayodlala iConfed. Njengoba sibabona-ke njengamanje ukuthi ama-signing asebewenza, sebeqala ukwenza ama-signing njengabantu aba-serious ngempela bafowethu. Siyabona laphana bakwazile ukuthola uGustin Serino after announce-iwe laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ngeke aze abuye in this coming season. Then emva kwalokho balanda uMusele laphana kwi-Pirates. uMusele bafowethu ulokhu eloniwe nje, ulokhu eloniwe. Asazi ukuthi ukhoza ithini kahle kahle i-plan ngaye uGoodman Musele cause siyamazi bafowethu uMusele is a good player, uyabona, is a good player. Mina umuntu engisakholelwa kakhulu kuyena nanokuthi asangakwazi ukuthi adlale indishi laphana kwi-Pirates, but-ke we know ukuthi i-Pirates bafethu it has a lot of good players. iDurban City iphinde yasayina futhi lapha uTyrique Matthews bafethu, naye futhi umuntu obekade ewumgadli laphana we-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyabona-ke bafethu ukuthi iDurban City kushuthi kule season izimisele ngempela bafethu ukuthi ikhompyuthe. Uma ubheka wena lama moves bafethu azobabeka kuyiphi position kwi-log, and how far do you think ukuthi iDurban City can go kulentozana kwi-CAF Confed bafethu? Sibabonile ukuthi hayi benze sure bafethu, benze sure, and le team bafethu is well run bafethu, is well run. Yabona abantu abayiranayo, ngicabanga ukuthi ukumuva kwayo from eMaritzburg ize la eThekwini kukho msile uma iseseThekwini ukuthi why ibidingeka le move because eMaritzburg ibingekho isupport. So nje kushuthi nje ayeza bafethu namagame eConfed azobe khona la eChatsworth bafethu stadium, noma mhlawumbe bazowabeka emabhida sizozwa kahle uma seku-announce-iwe. But wabona kanjani lama move eDurban City bafowethu? Uyabona ukuthi they wanna make sure, yabo, they wanna make sure nabantu bazocheza ngalama moves.